one of the most interesting person I have known, Sanket Ji Kulkarni. As I have known you since 2004, you are the most active student in extracurricular activities, specifically dance. You are the best dancer in Bollywood and Western style in college, as quoted by respected professors, friends, and your well-wishers. You usually participated and won first place at different levels: college, inter-college, taluk, district, state level competitions. As per I know, you were a very dedicated student and you used to go to Kalpana Rishmi Kalaloka under the able guidance of your master Shri B.N. Surya Prakash. You got an opportunity to participate in India's first dance reality show, Boogie Woogie, at Mumbai for the auditions with the KRK troupe in 2003-04. You won numerous competitions which were organized in Karwar, Gokarna, Sirsi, Kumta, Belgaum, Dharwad, Mangalore, Davangere, Bagalkot, Bangalore during the span between 2004 to 8. Along with this, later you also got an opportunity to participate in the troupe and perform at the launch event of a Kannada channel, that is Kannada Kasturi TV channel event with KRK troupe. Not only the best performer, but you are also a wonderful anchor on stage. You have given various stage shows as an anchor across the districts in Karnataka. You were also selected as a choreographer for Kannada dance reality show Kuniyona Bara for kids, which was aired on the TV channel in 2008-09, where the participant whom you choreographed was selected to almost the final rounds, where during the choreography you met with an accident on stage during performing a stunt which slightly injured your palms and fingers, due to which you had to come out of the contest. In 2008, later, you started your own dance school, which is one of your dreams, along with your friends in Karwar, that is Star Choice Dance School. You continued with them up to 2012 before venturing into transport business. You have been choreographing and winning prizes at various schools, colleges and other organizations at multiple programs and events since 2004 till now, that is 2020-24. Proud to see you moving forward as one-man army in the field of dance, unnoticed and unsung. Along with choreography, you have also judged various competitions organized at different levels across the districts of our state. During and after the COVID time period, you started choreography to a student and choreographed many successful dance videos as well as launched your own YouTube channel. As I have seen you, you are one of the favorite teacher among your students then and now. Keep going forward and achieve your dreams, and all the best for your future endeavors. I'm very proud to see you get felicitated at various events. So many tough competitions, painful injuries, sleepless nights, lack of support in certain aspects. Even though you have made through it, and always these challenges have made you a very stronger individual. As always, God, the Almighty, you believe, has been a striving support, has been leading you through the best path and towards your dreams so that you achieve your dreams. So, to a special person with enormous talent and creativity, a small gift on your birthday from your better half, Pooja Samidhita Kulkarni, wishes you a very happiest birthday.